In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix WhatsApp call transfer or chat transfer feature missing. First thing you want to do is check for app update. Head over to App Store or Play Store. Search for WhatsApp. Once app appears, if you find the option of update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Next thing you want to do is check your internet connection. Ensure you have stable internet connection. Also make sure both devices are using the exact same phone number. Likewise, both phones are connected to same Wi-Fi local network and ensure Bluetooth is enabled. WhatsApp uses these connections to establish a secure device-to-device transfer. You should also temporarily disable any VPNs, ad blockers, or firewall apps on either device. These services can interfere with the local network connection that WhatsApp needs during the transfer process. If these solutions didn't work out for you, what you want to do is uninstall the WhatsApp. Before that, you'll need to back up all the chats. For that, launch WhatsApp. Head over to the U page, go to the option chat. Now here you're going to find the option of chat backup. Click on that. Click on backup now. Then you can close this. Now completely delete WhatsApp from your device and reinstall it. And that's it. These are the best ways to fix WhatsApp call transfer or chat transfer feature if it's missing or not working. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.